Angharad from Angharads Life, and in today's video we'll be trying some of the products that we got from the North Wales Vegan Festival. I'm really looking forward to it, you ma'am.
I am.
It's going to be amazing with so many of the wonderful new products that we got from the North Wales Vegan Festival too. Like some brownies, some dark matters, the doughnuts,
the olives,
and the garlic, the Turkish delight, and the nuts.
Question for you, Angharad. What are we going to try first?
Should try some of the olives first, ma'am.
I think that's a great idea.
Come on then.
We got good things coming.
Should we try one of the non-spicy ones first, ma'am?
I think that's a great idea there. That's it. And they've got the pickled garlic in as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ooh, thank you.
And mine.
Amazing. And there's all different flavours, wasn't there?
It was.
Wow.
They're amazing.
They really are.
Should we try the garlic
I
now?
think that's a great... Across that, that's it.
You go, ma'am.
Thank you.
And mine.
Oh, they're amazing. It's not a strong flavour of garlic, is there?
It's not. It's absolutely amazing. And I love the pickles flavour too, do you, ma'am?
I do. And the next tub is some of these spicy ones.
That Dad really enjoyed.
And that's it. There was 3 different levels of spice, wasn't there?
It was.
Oh, that looks like that might be a really spicy one. Like the one you got me as well.
They are spicy, aren't they, ma'am?
They are lovely though.
Amazing. Here is the salted caramel donut. Oh wow, it smells incredible, doesn't it, ma'am?
It really does.
Not too sweet.
No, even though there's no filling, it's really lovely. Yeah, so I've also put on the plate there the cinnamon one.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, it smells amazing
It
too.
really does.
That really tastes like a cinnamon roll, doesn't it, ma'am?
It really does.
Oh, it's amazing, isn't it?
Both of them have been really lovely.
Here is the apple brownie. Smells amazing, doesn't it, ma'am?
Oh, the brownies just smell so lovely.
I love the apple brownie so much. It tastes incredible. Here is the raspberry brownie. It smells so delicious. Really can't wait to try it. Oh my gosh. I love the flavours of the raspberry so much. It tastes wonderful. Here is the apple flavoured Turkish delight. Smells amazing, doesn't it, ma'am?
It really does. It's a lovely flavour of apple.
It's amazing. And I love the Turkish delight too. It's so lovely and soft and just a little bit chewy, isn't it, ma'am?
It is. I also put there for you to try the pomegranate one.
Ready, ma'am?
I am. That's really lovely. Not too strong a taste of pomegranate.
No.
But
It's amazing, isn't it?
It is.
There's not too much of a dusting here, is there, ma'am?
No. Now you can try the garlic, black pepper and salt nuts.
Ooh.
That's it.
Here you go, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. They smell lovely. Oh wow,
The flavour hits straight away. It's amazing.
they're really good. And I thought as well we'd have some of the Mexican nuts.
Oh. Here you go, Mum.
Oh, thank you.
They're very good, aren't they?
It's a lovely spice, but
Not too spicy.
you can still taste everything, can't you? They're really good.
They are.
So you're going to enjoy some?
Yes, please. Here are the Dark Matters brownies. Today we thought we'd try the pumpkin spice and double chocolate. They smell absolutely incredible, don't they, Mum?
They really do.
That's absolutely incredible. So delicious. I love all of the wonderful flavours so much too. Oh my gosh, the pumpkin spice is absolutely incredible. The flavours are so amazing too. I love all of the wonderful spices. Here's a double chocolate. Wow, that's so delicious. They're so lovely and gooey too. They're amazing.
So you're going to enjoy them?
Today we thought we'd try the lemon Turkish delight.
That's lovely.
It really is. It tastes so lovely. It's not too sharp either. It's really, really tasty. And the rose too.
Wow, that's so lovely.
An amazing taste of rose. It's not too strong. It's absolutely lovely.
I thought today we could try the caramelised nuts.
These ones, one?
Yep, they're those ones. And the other nuts we've got, we can try them in a minute as well.
Lovely. Here you go, Mum.
Oh, thank you.
What an amazing caramelised flavour. They taste amazing. I love these ones, the coated ones, so much, as they remind me of like a honey roasted nut, don't they, Mum?
They do. The other ones that we got with the cinnamon and vanilla caramelised, weren't they?
Oh, can't wait, here's one, can you?
I'm looking forward to them as well.
There you go.
Lovely flavours.
Cinnamon. Wow.
Could you pick a favourite that we chose?
I can't. They're all so amazing because they each have a unique flavour.
They do. So you're going to enjoy some more?
And the flavours stay for the whole taste, don't they, Mum?
They do. So you're going to enjoy some more?
Oh my gosh, all the products that we tried from the North Wales Vegan Festival that we brought home were absolutely incredible, weren't they, Mum?
They really were.
They were all amazing, from the donuts to the brownies to all the nuts and the Turkish delights and the olives
Oh, everything was so good.
and the garlic as well. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free. And press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you've ever tried any of these products. If you have, which ones have you tried? Did you enjoy them? If you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!